we're not gonna do any research on this car. We're actually gonna ask the owner about it so we can grasp some elements of the build of this car. But for those of you who don't know who I am, I'm Darren BD Performance, and this is Mikey. I don't know which channel we're on, yours or mine or both. We're here in sunny Rail, aren't we? Sunny Rail. Look at it. Look at the weather. It's stunning, honestly. If you haven't been on holiday this year, please consider Rail as a worthy location. I'm sure they'll really appreciate it. Honestly, the beaches are sandy, it's sunny as hell, and we're loving it here. So in the background, we've got a Peugeot. It's pink. 206 Max Power-esque body kit, the full 9 yards really. What do you think of it? Mikey's going to explain to you exactly the spec of this vehicle because he knows everything about every modified car, including if you ever need any information about focuses. I know you all think I'm the go-to guy, but when in reality Mikey here is the man. So I'll hand you over to Mikey. Do you want to go run a bit through it? So come with us.
Where do we start? You got a half plate, don't you? Max power, it's something.
There's part of, is that ice cream?
I think it's ice cream. Yeah, so max power.
Early 2000s. Actually, do you know what? Back in the day, that is exactly how BD Performance started before it was BD Performance. So we used to modify Saxos, believe it or not. We used to have cool louvers cut into it. And I'm pretty sure that's how they've done the 206 in a cool louver kind of style. So yeah, I actually appreciate this. I'm 40 years old, man. I'm like past it, so I know a bit about these cars. So for those of you that don't understand, back in the day, depending on which channel it goes on, but you guys might not be old enough to even remember Max Power because it's dead and gone, it's dead and buried now. But Ben was actually featured with a Saxo. He had a dimmer body kit on it back in the day, and he had nitrous on it, and he was running hydraulic suspension as well. So it was a really, really cool car with 20-inch rims on it. If you look for it, it's probably on the Max Power website if you can find it somewhere historically. If not, then I'll chuck Mikey a link, or we'll put a link in our channel and you can go and take a look at what Ben created. But we'll just try and tap the owner up for a bit of information about the car because it's pretty loud and I'm not sure if you can hear us properly here, but we'll probably get the owner in and get him to tell us a bit about the vehicle. But Mikey, have you got any more assessments of it?
Well, yeah.
I reckon it's got M3 style wing mirrors on it.
Yeah,
with M3 style wing mirrors. It's got a full leather interior, that's probably out of another vehicle. Got some, you know what? Sorry guys, it's a bit dark here, but we're doing our best. You know what? We're going to give up, and this car is apparently for sale, so we're going to give up and we're going to get the owner in and we're going to give it a try and see what we can establish and go from there.
Yeah.
So I'm here with the owner of the pink 206 behind us. What made you purchase that car?
It's pink and it's got speakers in it.
And that was it? That was the list. So could you tell me a little bit about the spec of that vehicle?
It's got an engine in it. It's got an ice cream on the front of it.
Mike has already covered that.
And it's pink.
Okay, so just for a bit of edification for the viewers, just in case you didn't hear that, it's pink, it's got an engine, some big speakers and an ice cream hanging out the front. So Mike only missed 3 of the things off the list. So to be fair, I think we need to give Mikey a round of applause for that, to be quite honest. It's probably the best he's done in a while.
I don't know what I like about the car.
But thanks to you for being a great sport for me and Mikey. We have a channel this ends up on. It's a cool car for me. Like, I'm 40 years old, you're, what did you say, 30 years old. So for me it's a cool car and it brings back some happy memories. Maybe not in pink, but you know, it's a new age now, isn't it? Thanks very much. Cheers, buddy.
I believe you want to swap your RS with mine.
And my guy, he's just told me he wants to take you up the forest. That's something for a different YouTube channel. What do you think about that?
20 quid's 20 quid.
So now we're going to demonstrate exactly what happened to my guy. In just a moment, we're going to throw some flames, and this is why maybe you're in the situation that you're in. You think?
Yeah.
Somewhat. So all will be revealed soon.